Hello everyone, today we will discuss some questions related to chapter 1 of English course book of class 4 that we already discussed in previous two video, and we completed the first chapter of this English course book. So today we will discuss few questions related to this chapter, and let's proceed. So the question number 1, take the correct options. We already have done this question in previous video, so let's proceed to question number B. Take the correct statement and the cross the incorrect statement. जो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है उसके सामने टिक करना है और जो इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है उसके सामने क्रॉस करना है. So let's proceed and start. Question number 1. Nobody knows where the wind comes from. So according to the poem, is this statement is correct? Nobody knows where the wind comes from. क्या कोई जानता है कि विंड कहाँ से आ रहा है? No, nobody knows where the wind comes from. So this statement is correct. The poet could not keep up with the wind. क्या poet विंड के साथ विंड का जो स्पीड था उसके साथ मैच कर पा रहे थे? नहीं. So this statement is also correct. The kite would not blow away with the wind. क्या kite जो था वो wind के साथ नहीं उड़ पा रहा था? So this statement is wrong. The poet does not know where the wind goes. क्या poet जान पाए थे कि wind कहाँ जा रहा है? Does not. क्या poet नहीं जान पाए थे? So this statement is also wrong. So let's proceed to question number C. Pair it up. Question number C. Match the group of word in column A with those in column B. तो column A को column B के साथ match करना है, pair करना है. So question number 1. Nobody knows where the wind goes. I could not keep up with it, not if I ran. The string of the kite would blow with the wind for a day and a night. I should know that the wind had been going there too. You can either match these two columns or you can simply write number in these boxes. So come to the next question. Answer in brief. Question number D. Answer each of the following question in one or two sentences. So these questions that we are discussing today, you all have to write this in your note copy. So question number D. Answer each of the following questions in one or two sentences. Question number 1. Where do you think the wind comes from? So answer I have already written. You have to write in your note copy. Nobody knows where the wind comes from. So this is the answer of question number 1. Come to the question number 2. Why could not the poet keep up with the wind? Because wind is flying very fast. So this is the answer of question number 2. Come to the question number 3. What would happen to the string of the poet's kite if he stopped holding it? It would blow with the wind for a day and a night. So this is the answer of question number 3. Come to the question number 4. When can you feel the wind? So the answer is when the leaves on the tree move and the blowing the kite up into the air. So these are the short questions that you have to write in one or two sentences. So come to the last question. Answer in detail. Question number 1 and the last question. Summarize the poem Wind on the Hill in your own word. So answer I have already written. You have to write in your note copy. This is a beautiful poem that vividly describes the wind in this poem. The poet is curious to know that where the wind comes from and where the wind goes on the heel. That are the important questions related to chapter 1 of English course book. You all have to write all the questions in your note copy. That's all for today. Keep revising. Thank you.